நீ சொல்லு.
What happened, ma? See, once when I start recording, ma'am, when I start recording, please don't talk. After 11 o'clock, you can talk, ma'am. Okay,
No,
please.
ma'am,
Because recording.
Mugilan birthday, ma'am.
What happened?
Today birthday, ma'am.
Birthday.
Yes, ma'am.
Sri Mugilan's birthday today.
Yes, ma'am. Please.
Not clear, ma'am. Tell him to say. Tell Sri Mugilan to say. Sri Mugilan, tell me.
And today is our birthday.
Very good, ma'am. Will sing for you. Children, we'll just sing for him now. Okay, he's very happy. We are missing you, Sri Mugilan. Thank you, aunties. I'm so sorry I was not able to hear, ma'am. Okay, all of you stand, children. Happy birthday to you. Happy
Thank you, ma'am.
Good health and happiness. Thank you everybody. Okay, Sri Mugilan, enjoy and listen to mama, daddy, and enjoy your birthday. Okay, good children. Now we'll come back to our class. Okay, you don't be copying anything, and we'll see what we can do in class right now. Okay, take out your classwork note slowly. Take out your classwork note and just have a look at this. I think you have completed, not I think, you have completed the addition sums. Now I'm going to ask one person, Cyrus, you have completed addition sums. Did you start with subtraction in your notebook? No. We are going to start. Did you start? No. In class. Some children must have done worksheet, but other children. Okay, now 1 minute. Miral, Kanira, Miral, are you ready for the class?
Ma'am? Yes.
Now 1 minute, somebody's talking to me. Yes?
Ma'am, you called me, ma'am?
Yes, Kanira. Did you start with subtraction in your classwork note?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Which one did you do? First row fully?
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
Look at the screen. Anyway, we'll start, children. As you work out more sums, you will be 30. Now, Kanira, turn off your mic. Kanira, turn off your mic. Now, listen. All of you sit down. All of you sit down. All of you take a new page. All of you take. You don't worry if you have done, because I want you to answer. Take a new page, okay? In between, do not disturb children. Juansri, what do you want?
My notebook is finished.
Juansri, please turn off your mic and listen to ma'am. We are going to
My notebook is finished.
Oh, sorry. You can take any book and write, Juansri. I told you once, children, any other notebook is there, you can copy, okay? Any notebook, you can copy these sums. Okay, children, shall we start now? Yes, subtraction. I'm going to ask one by one, okay? And I'm giving you marks. Now, I'm going to start from A class. 10 children, then B class. Please write the heading subtraction. If you have done also, no problem, because I'm going to give you mark for this. Write subtraction on the first line. First line, subtraction. Below that, leave one square. Adonia,
Yes, ma'am.
you're going to tell me how to do the first sum. My ma'am is not going to write the answer. Children, now, first of all, you copy the first row, all the sums in your notebook. You don't leave one square, you must write one number. That means 59 minus 37. Leave one column. 88 minus 77. Why I'm telling you 88? Because each square one number. Then leave a column. After each sum, leave one column. And copy all these sums in your classwork. First line, don't leave any line here after the margin starts straight away. Straight away you start after the margin. Now, Adonia is going to do the first sum. 59 minus 37. 59
9 minus 7 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2.
So what is the answer down?
20.
22. 22. Very good, Adonia. You're getting marked for that. 22. Children, please do it. One by one. First one, 22. Second one, Akshara, yes. Akshara.
Ma'am, Akshara, ma'am.
Please do the second sum. 88 minus 77.
1, ma'am.
See, I don't want like this answers, Akshara. You must tell, like how, 1 minute, all of you listen, please. How Adonia said same way. 8 minus 7 equals 1. Like that, you start from one's place, Akshara.
8 and 7 is equal to 1.
Yeah. Again.
Then again 7 is 1.
So what is the answer? 1 and 1.
11, ma'am.
Very good, 11. First one is 22, next one 11. Very easy. Now, you have to say like that. Effie, I don't think Effie is there. Fatima, children, when I ask you certain sums to work out, you are getting marked for internals. Joshika, Kanira, do the third sum, Kanira. Third sum.
Okay, ma'am.
93 minus 20.
Ma'am, 30 is 3, ma'am.
3 minus 0 equals 3. Say like that. 3.
9 minus 2 is 7.
So what is the answer?
73.
No, 73. Very good. 73. Turn off your mic, okay? Next sum is for Kailina. Kailina, 70 minus 50. Kailina, Mishti.
Yes, ma'am.
Mishti,
Yes, ma'am.
please say 70 minus 50.
20, ma'am.
I told you to teach us how ma'am is teaching you. First take one's place number.
17.
For once play, yeah, start. 70 minus 50.
17 minus 50 is 20.
No, Misty. Did you listen to other children? Now let's say, take one's place number and start working out. 0 minus 0. 0 minus 0, Misty.
0 minus 0 is 0,
Very good. Then, you're
7 minus 5 is 2, ma'am.
yes, you're not paying attention. You have to listen. Okay, Misty, you know the answer. Good. 70 minus 50 equals 20. Now, Dhruv,
Yes, ma'am.
can you tell me the last one, Dhruv?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please work on.
Minus, ma'am, 2 minus 2 is 0.
Yeah. What is 2 minus 2? 0. Very good. What is 9 minus 6?
9 minus 6 is 3.
Very good. Now, what is the answer down?
30.
You have to write 30. Please write, children. Very good, Dhruv. Now, I'm going to read out the answers. Please check the first row. Okay. 59 minus 37, you are getting 22. Please put a tick mark. 88 minus 77, you are getting 11. 93 minus 20, you are getting 73. 70 minus 50, you are getting 20. 92 minus 62, we are getting 30. Very good, children. Everybody answered when I asked the question. Yes, who's this?
Ansh, ma'am.
See, children, I'm telling you not to talk. Who spoke just now? Tell me. No talking, please. Ansh, turn off your mic, please. Ansh,
Ma'am.
turn off your mic and listen. Now we are going to do the second row of numbers. Okay, first row is over. We are going to the next row. And I asked some children some questions and I finished giving them marks. Now let's go to the next one. Now leave 2 columns and start writing the next row of sums. Leave 2 columns. Only write 3 sums in a line. Don't worry about all the sums together. 1, 2, 3. That means first sum, leave 2 columns. Second sum, leave 2 columns. Then the last sum. Then don't do the last 2. We will do later. Copy only the first 3 sums, leaving 2 columns in between. First sum 4, 8, 3. Each number you have to write separately in each column. 4, 8, 3. Minus 230, 230. Now, according to the roll number, I'm asking you. Samantha, sweetie. Samantha, copy the first sum and wait, Samantha.
Okay, ma'am.
Samantha, louder, please.
Ma'am.
Samantha, I cannot hear anything.
Ma'am.
483. What should we do first?
Minus.
Minus, yes. 3 minus 0.
3.
Very good. Now you tell. What is the next number? Samantha, please hurry up.
5.
8 minus 3. Say loud.
Is minus
What is the answer?
5.
Please turn on your camera.
Ma'am.
Yes, tell me, ma.
My camera is not working, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Okay. Now take the last one. What is the last one in the hundreds place? 4 minus?
4 minus 2.
What is the answer?
2.
2. Now tell me the answer together. 200.
253.
Very good, Samantha. 253. Children, do it. 253. Now I'll go to A class. No, sorry, B class. Okay. Now you can do the first 3 sums. Yes. Now, Abhisha, tell me the second sum. First row, second sum. 596 minus 224.
6 minus 4 is equal to 2.
Good.
9 minus 2 is equal 7.
Very good.
5 minus 2 is equal 3.
So what is the answer?
372.
372. Very good, Abhisha. Children, when other children work out the sums in class means now, online classes, you also must listen to them. Nobody is going to give you prize for completing first. You have to listen and you must speak and you must take up the corrections. Then only you will do well. Okay, very good. Very good, Abhisha. Next child is Akshaya E. Akshaya E. Akshaya, where are you? Okay, Akshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you work out the third sum?
Okay, ma'am.
Children, one second. Others just wait, okay? 472 minus 273. Tell Akshita. Now, here onwards, you must be very, very careful. You see, children, 3 is, now, 1 second. Okay, I want somebody else. Akshita, do you know how to do this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then start. 2 minus 3. Say after me, Akshita, if you tell, otherwise I will ask some other child to explain.
Ma'am.
Do you know? Shall I ask somebody else? Okay, Alan, please start.
Yes, ma'am.
Akshita, just listen, okay? Then ma'am will explain. Yes, teach us, Alan, how to do this.
Ma'am, 472 minus 273 is 2 is less than 3, so we cannot subtract 3. 2. So we should borrow from 10th place. 7 will become 6. 2 will become 12. 12 minus 9. 12 minus 3 is 9. So we cannot subtract 6 minus 7. So we should borrow from hundredth place.
Very good.
6 will become 15. 4 will become 3.
Good.
15 minus 9. 15 minus 7 is 9. 3 minus 2 is 1. So the answer is 199.
Very, very good, Alan. Children,
Thanks.
now this is the way you have to tell. I know that most of you know. I will tell you once again. I'm taking one's place number. Others listen. 2 minus 3. 3 is bigger than 2. We cannot take 3 from 2. Borrow from 10's place. 7 will become 6. 2 will become 12. 12 minus 3 equals 9. We finished doing the first, one's place number. Now you have 6 minus 7 in 10's place. 6 minus 7. 7 is bigger than 6. Again, you cannot take 7 from 6. Borrow from 100's place number 4. 4 will become 3. 7 will become 16. 16 minus 7, you give 9. You'll get 9. 3 minus 2, you will get 1. Okay, children. Now, I want you to take the next line. Leave 1 square. Leave 1 square down. Right. 9, 8. Leave 2 squares, children, because when you have to borrow, you have to write on top of it. Now write 987.
Ma'am, I can't.
Minus. Can't see the
Green, ma'am.
Who's this now, Mishti? Now, Sandy, can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Mishti, please don't be going on doing anything to your system. If any problem, you just call your elders and don't be telling them each child will be going on pressing this and that. Now you finish the first 3 sums. 4th one, write it down and Sujin is going to answer. Copy 4 and 5, leaving 2 squares after the first line. Mishti girl, ask somebody to help you. Okay, 987 minus 831. Sujin, can you help me to do this sum?
Okay, ma'am.
Louder, Sujin.
Okay, ma'am. 7 minus 1 equals 6. 8 minus 3 equals 5. 9 minus 8 equals 1. So the answer is 106.
156. Very good. You know something? There is nothing to borrow. Always you check whether the second number is big or small. Only if it's big, you have a problem. Okay, children. Otherwise, don't do anything. Very good. Now, after writing the 4th sum down, leave 2 columns and write last one. 650 400 minus 420. Now I want Aratrika to help me. Aratrika.
Yes, ma'am.
Aratrika, please do the last sum in your, in the screen last sum, but in your notebook, second row, second sum. 650 minus 420. Come on, Aratrika.
Yes, ma'am. 20. Yes, ma'am.
Aratrika, voice
Yes,
is breaking. Just see to it and speak louder.
Yes, ma'am.
0 minus 0.
0.
Good. Next one.
Next one.
5 minus 2.
3.
Good. You say the numbers.
Yes, ma'am.
6 minus
230.
6 minus 4, 2.
2.
So answer is 230. Now children, one more sum you can write on the second line. Turn off your mic, please. Thank you. Now next child is Evelyn Sarah. I want to see these children. Evelyn, where are you, Evelyn? Present. Sit properly. Children, because whenever I am calling these names, they are not there. Then other children are missing the chances. So Tridib, what do you want, Tridib? Tridib, whom you are talking to, Tridib boy? Tridib. Good boy. Now Tridib, can you tell me the answer for the next 1 minute? Please copy second row first sum next to the second sum. Now Tridib is going to answer. Okay. Tridib, just wait. I will go back to the screen. Tridib, please wait. Yeah. Now you have this sum 829 minus 293 in the second row. Wherever you copy, Tridib, start doing it. Tell me, Tridib. What? I am not going to tell you anything. Tridib is going to teach us. Come, Tridib. 9. Start. What happened? Tridib, where is he? Just now he was there. Start doing that sum, Tridib. Or shall I go to the next person? Suddenly Tridib went off. What happened? Must be some problem. Okay, let's call somebody else. Ratrika, turn off your mic, ma. Tridib, if it's any problem, we'll just call you later. Okay. Jeff, can you tell me how to do that? Jeff?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, ma. 829 minus 293. Come on.
9 minus 3 equals to 6. 9 is smaller than 2, so 2 will become 12. 12 minus 9 equals to 3.
Good.
7 minus 2 equals to 5.
Very good, Jeff. Now, I will tell you how Jeff did, okay? 9 minus 3, of course, you can take 3 from 9, you will get 6. 2 minus 9, you cannot take 9 minus 2. You are borrowing from hundreds place. 8 will become 7, 2 will become 12. Only when you concentrate in class and you sit and do the sum, you will learn. If anybody else is helping you, that person only will learn. You won't learn. Okay, children? So listen, see, very good, Jeff. 12 minus 9, you are getting 3. 7 minus 2, you are getting 5. So the answer is 536. Is it right, Jeff, what I said?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Jeff. Now the next sum, I think 2 rows.
Ma'am, I'm Tridib, ma'am.
I
I could not answer because there was
never
network issue,
mind.
ma'am.
1 minute. Tridib, I think some problem, network problem. Tridib?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, you can do the next sum because I knew that. That's what I told you. I will ask you second. Now, 1 minute, Tridib. Everybody finish copying the first three sums in the first row. Next one in the second row. Now, leave 2 lines, 2 squares if you have space, or go to the new page because one more sum only we'll be able to do. Tridib, you are going to answer this sum. Please copy 498 minus 217. Children, please copy this sum whenever you have space. Tridib, start doing it.
8 minus 7 is 1.
Very good.
9 minus 1 is equal to 8.
Good.
And 4 minus 2 is equal to 2.
Very good.
The
Very
answer
good.
is 211.
270.
Level.
Sorry. No. It is 8 minus 7 is 1. 9
81,
minus.
ma'am.
Yes, 81.
Ma'am,
200.
281.
Very good. 281. Children, please see to that. With that, we will stop now. We'll continue on Monday. Okay, children? 1 second. You can do the sums at home. Listen, you must, children, 1 second. I don't want so many you are on leave. I don't